In this video, I'll show you how to make a Tapmob account and get accepted, so watch until the end. So once you downloaded the app, you want to click the sign up button at the top. Then choose I am a content creator, then fill out the form using your real first and last name, email, username, phone number, state and country. For the invite code, put 4645. Then choose a password. Then for contact info, choose whatever app you use the most. For me, I will choose Telegram, then enter your username or phone number there, and click save, then click next. Then add a social media account and choose whatever platform you have the most followers on, then enter the amount of followers you have, then click next. For the how did you hear about us, type YouTube video. For experience, put whatever experience you have. If you're new to CPA marketing, then put none. For how you plan to promote, put however you plan to promote the links. Personally, I will put Instagram Reels. For the next one, put any similar apps if you have experience with them. If you're new, then put none. For why should you be approved, put I can bring a lot of traffic to your website and elaborate on it, then click the 2 checkboxes at the bottom. After that, click submit, then it should say your application is pending and you will get accepted within a few